Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can get the CSS path selector for any elements on your website. So imagine this is your website. When you are here, if for example I wanted to get the CSS path selector for this button right here, I can just right click it, inspect element, and it will open up a developer tool. And from here, as you can see, it is already highlighting this line right here. And this is actually the CSS path selector. And so as you can see, if I just hover around, and you can see that this strong is actually the text. And if I just move up a little bit, and it is now selecting the entire button. And just click on it, right click and copy, and right here you can choose this, select selector. And if I just paste it around here, as you can see, it is the CSS path selector, which you can use it for your CSS or your JavaScript. Now, if you are not using Chrome and if you are using a browser like Safari, for example, you can also do the same thing, which from the Safari, you can just right click on the element, inspect element, and it will also open up a web inspector right here. So from here, it will also pre-selecting the element that you have right click just now. So as you can see, and it will also show you which are the elements that you are currently hovering on. So for example, if I wanted to select this blue button right here, there should also be this option right here. For the Chrome, it is also somewhere around here. You can look for this icon right here, click on it, and you can just selecting any elements on this website. Click on the element you wanted to get the CSS path selector, and right click, copy, and right here selector path, as you can see. And you right click it, so I'll just paste it right here to show you the value that I have copied. So this is the CSS path selector that you can also use it for your CSS or your JavaScript. I hope this video helps, and catch you on the next one.